Brief accurate and important news of today's Wednesday. Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, acting Minister of Foreign Affairs, in a gathering with the Afghan national cricket team, demanded that they be committed to Islamic and patriotic values and give the world the idea that religion and sports are not in conflict. Cricket Board Chairman Mirwais Ashraf and the captain of the Afghan national team, Hashmatullah Shahidi, thanked the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan for always encouraging the players. The Supreme Court says the courts of Helmand province have resolved 148 documents in 2 weeks. The spokesperson of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, Maulavi Zabihullah Mujahid, called on journalists in a coordination meeting in the Department of Culture and Information in Kandahar province to publish news with confidence and accurately and avoid spreading rumors, and the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan supports you to work freely. Officials of the central bank told the nation in the government's accountability program the value of the Afghani against the dollar has increased by 4.4% and the inflation rate has decreased by 6%. The Ministry of Refugee Affairs stated that more than 9,52,000 refugees have returned to the country and more than 3 million refugees have been assisted. Kabul municipality says in the 16th district, the construction work of 2 sub-roads has been completed and handed over for use.